In this video, I will show you how to use the IFS function in Excel to calculate a value based on multiple conditions. First, select the cell where you want to display your value. In the formula bar, type equals and ifs in capital letters with an open bracket. Then select the value that you want to use in your condition. In this case, I want to check if the average is greater than or equal to 80. I will select the average cell and then type greater than or equals to 80 and a comma. Then I will write what will happen if this is true. So I want to display A if the value is greater than or equal to 80. I will type A in quotation marks. Then I will type a comma. Now I will type the next condition. In this case, I want to check if the average is greater than or equal to 70. I will select my average cell again and then type greater than or equal to 70 and a comma. Then I will type B. Then I will repeat this for my other conditions. I will select the average cell and type greater than or equal to 60, and then type a comma and type C. I will repeat this for D and F. For the last condition, I want to type anything less than 50 should be an F. So I will type less than and 50, and then type a comma and type F. Then I will close this all in a closing bracket and press enter. I should now see the corresponding letter grade populated in my letter grade column. To summarize, in the if statement, the first condition is the first condition you want to check. Then you have the true value, then the second condition and the true value for that condition, then the third condition and the true value for that condition, until you reach the end of your conditions. And that's it. You now know how to use the IFS function in Excel.